Here I've got Realme 6 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now go to fingerprint face and password, and here you can set lock screen password or smoothly go to add a fingerprint, and this is what I will choose. Now you just have to be aware that your lock screen password is used to unlock your phone, and if you forget it, you must reset your phone by restoring all the data. Tap on continue, and now it's time to enter the backup password. It can be used instead of your fingerprint, so let me enter 126. I know it's the common one, but still it's only for tutorial. And as only it's entered, you have to add your fingerprint. Here you've got the sensor, so just keep tapping on the sensor. Tap and continue, and just some final edges. And that's it. Tap on done, and from now on your device is protected. So as you can see, you will be able to unlock your phone only with this backup pattern, password, or with your fingerprint. So this is it. And that would be all. So you can add a fingerprint to your Realme 6. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.